In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate logo in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure the design you want to work on is already on screen so you can easily access your logo and preview any changes as you go. If your logo is already placed in the project, you're ready for the next step. The nice thing about Adobe Express is that it gives you a quick and visual way to apply motion, so you can test different styles without needing advanced animation skills. Once your project is open, select the logo you want to animate. This is important because the animation controls will only appear for the element you currently have selected. After clicking on your logo, look over to the left panel and find the Animation tab. Go ahead and click that tab to open the animation options for the selected logo. Inside the animation panel, you'll see 3 tabs at the top that help you organize the available effects. These tabs are In, Loop, and Out. Each one controls a different part of the motion. In animations affect how the logo appears on screen. Loop animations repeat while the logo is visible, and Out animations control how the logo leaves the screen. Choose the tab that matches the type of movement you want to add. Then start browsing through the animation options available in that section. As you look through the choices, you can hover over an animation first to preview how it will look on your logo. This is a useful way to compare styles before applying one. When you find an animation you like, simply click it to apply it to the logo. If you want to fine-tune the effect, click the sliders button on the selected animation. This opens the settings for that effect, where you may be able to adjust options like speed, distance, squish, and direction. The exact settings can vary depending on which animation you chose, so don't worry if some effects offer different controls than others. Take a moment to test a few options and watch how each one changes the overall feel of your design. Subtle motion can make a logo feel polished and professional, while stronger movement can make it more energetic and attention-grabbing. The key is choosing an animation that fits your brand and the style of your project, and that's it. That's how to animate a logo in Adobe Express.